but that's when you were joking.
I was gonna dance, but no dancing for Pearl. But, you know, if you live in our room, you've probably heard Ash's alarm clock go off in the morning. Or if you don't, you've probably heard about Ash's alarm clock. And I'm gonna sing that song, starting with the sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. The universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. Now, 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 now. Individual moves, let's go! Go Kiwi! Go Pickle! Go Ash!